Welcome to Eastern Tennessee. I wanted to share some classic vehicles we spotted during our travels in the Smoky Mountains. Some are really odd, like this 1987 Land Rover D11, all the way from Italy's fire department, believe it or not. A gentleman told me it was used as a rescue vehicle in the Italian Alps, a long way from home, all equipped and ready to be used in the Smokies. And right next to it is a 1976 Santana Series 3, Model 109. Real nice shape for a 45-year-old Land Rover. And visiting all the way from Florida, a 1958 Cameo. At Smokin' Joe's Barbecue in Townsend, we spotted this 1966 Chevy Suburban, one of the old-time SUV pioneers, all the way from Mississippi. Looks like someone's ready to go surfing. An old GMC fire truck from back in the 80s. Willys Jeeps in the Smokies at Cades Cove, and some kind of army truck with a camper on it. This early 1920s Model T truck really catches everyone's attention at the Chocolate Monkey ice cream store in Pigeon Forge. Even in Dollywood's Jukebox Junction, you will see many classics that adds flavor of the 50s to the area. Chevys everywhere in the streets of Pigeon Forge, Gatlinburg, and Townsend. A 1957 Ford two-door Ranch Wagon. 1959 Corvette, 1955 two-door Chevy Bel Air Wagon. What a beauty. That red just stands out. To conclude with a 1954 Simplex automatic motorcycle. Thanks for coming along, and you all have a great day.